How to check shared calendars on iPhone. First of all, open up the Calendar app from your home screen. Tap on Calendars at the bottom of the screen to open the list of all calendars. Scroll the list if needed to see every account and category. Look under iCloud to find calendars shared with you or shared by you. As you can see, the demo calendar shows shared with. Tap on the Info button next to a shared calendar to view its details. Over here, under Shared With, you can view the email of the people you've shared the calendar with. You can also tap on Add Person to add additional people by putting in their email address. This way, you can check any calendar you want. Following these steps, you can easily check shared calendars on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.